Hello everybody, welcome back. We're in Townsend, Tennessee at the Little River Railroad Lumber Company Museum. This used to be a real railroad company that used to do logging. And here's a here. This is a log loader.
P.S. It is raining.
It is raining. Thanks for that, Abram. This is the Little River Railroad Lumber Company Shea number 2147. There's a little switch track that branches off right there. There is a water tower. Look at all those rods down there. Oh, look at a little model train track. This is the back of it. As you can see, there's a light up on the tender so the trains could pull the cars backward. Look at this. Look at that. This is a really, really old steam engine. Portable steam engine. Ooh, nice. Portable steam engine. Portable steam engines such as this were used in the backwoods to power portable sawmills. Although the Little River Lumber Company never owned one of these, many of the contractors during the early days of logging used them. They would be holding a location by horse with the flywheel and be connected to the sawmill with a belt. This engine was manufactured by the Frick Company of Pennsylvania. This is nice. As you can see, there's a track that branches off the one the Shea is on. And it goes down this way. And there's another track over here, ooh, with a flat cart. And then that one goes in the train shed, which rarely used, but as you can see, oh wow. That's the end of the track. All right, folks. We'll see you next time. Bye.